Hello everyone, I am Ton Chauhan and you are watching The Technical Fist, and in this video tutorial I will show you how you can install your graphic card in your PC. So with that being said, let's get started. In order to do this, all you need is one basic screwdriver. I have a very basic screwdriver over here, okay? Not magnetic, just a simple screwdriver, okay? So we are gonna install our graphic card in our PC using this screwdriver. So let's get started by opening up our PC's case. So put your case like this, okay? And remove its cover. Now you can see the insides of this case. Let me show you clearly. Yes, okay. Now this is my motherboard, okay, and the slot for your graphic card is this one. This is called the PCI slot, okay. So this is the slot for your graphics card, okay. So you need to put your graphics card inside this slot. So let's unbox our graphic card and install it. This is our graphic card. Let me unbox this, okay. I've already unboxed it, by the way. Alright, so this is our graphic card which we need to install. Now as you can see over here, this is something similar to our RAM that we have, okay. So this is our RAM, so this is something similar to that. So we need to install our graphic card like this. You can notice one cut over here. Your graphic card may have this cut at a different position depending on your motherboard as well. So this is the cut. Now you need to look for the cut in the slot as well. So as you can see over here in this slot, we have a cut over here. So this cut is identical to this one. So we have to put our graphic card in this way, okay. But one more thing to notice, you cannot directly put your graphic card like this. As you can see over here, I have one window open of my case, okay. So these are multiple windows that are used to install, you know, different devices. So I have one window opened which is coming straight from the PCI slot. So you need to apply a little force over here from the outside, and then you will be able to, you know, take it out like this, okay. So this is my original window that you can see over here. So this was originally, it was like this, and I applied some force over here and then it became like this, okay. So you can open your window or it can also come out. So this is how you can do it. Now in order to install your graphic card, you need a little more space. It's not enough. In your case, you have to notice that there are some screws that are covering up some area, okay. So we need to unscrew these guys so that we could install our graphic card. So I'm gonna take my screwdriver and we're gonna unscrew them. Alright, and it will come out like this, nice and easy. And as you can see over here, now there is plenty of room over here to insert our graphic card. Now take your graphic card and place it on the PCI slot very carefully, okay. These things are really sensitive and you have to make sure that you don't end up damaging them. So notice the cut over here and over here, and then put it inside this. Yeah, one more thing to make sure that is on your motherboard, make sure that this is, you know, like this, okay. It should be out, should not be covering up the area, otherwise your graphic card will not be able to install, okay. So I'm gonna put this thing over here, as you can see. Very nicely and easy. Do not get panic. Yeah, there you go. Done, okay. And now you need to apply some force on both ends so that it gets in properly, okay. But do not apply much force, just leave it when you see this handle coming up automatically, okay. So it should be like this, and then you will apply force, it will come back up and it will hold your graphic card like this. Okay, so originally it was like this. When you will apply force, it will come up. Okay, so now your graphic card is completely installed. All you need to do is to screw this back. Okay, as you can see over here, this is movable, but if you notice closely from here, you can see like a screw can cover up this guy. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Take the case cover that you just pulled out and put it back in, just like this. Okay, and now it's back, and as you can see, if I screw it over here, our graphic card will be able to completely stable. So we're gonna screw this area, as you can see, and let's place this another screw, and there you go. Now your graphic card is completely stable and completely installed. Now, in order to run your graphic card, what you need to do is you need to put your monitor's cable inside this slot over here. Okay, so if you have a normal monitor cable, you will put it inside this one, but if you have an HDMI cable, sorry, this one, and if you have an HDMI cable, you will insert it inside this one. Okay, so there are 3 types of slots that your graphic card gives you, and depending on your motherboard, depending on your monitor's type, you can put the cable inside them. So that's it for this video tutorial. I showed you how you can install your graphic card. Let us know if it helped you or not, and don't forget to like our video and share it with your friends so that they could also know how you can install your graphic card on your PC. That's it for this video tutorial. I hope you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.